What up, YouTube? It's Wednesday today. We about to do some exhaust in my boy Priest truck. I know y'all can hear it, but he closed. Bro, he don't even gotta text me when he here. I already know when he here. Yeah. Crunch time for real. Oh shit, he about to pull up, you know. Y'all don't see a better view. That shit was fucked up like Sunday. Oh shit. But hey, fuck it. That's where you gonna drive it. Yeah, hell yeah. So brief. Hell yeah, we at the muffler shop right now. We just waiting, I guess, until they finish that car. Then we're next. But hell yeah, we gonna see those side exhaust tips, dual exhaust tips, or like dual exhaust, whatever it is. Yeah, those side tips. That's pretty much it, bro. Hell yeah, I'm gonna catch up when they're about to start, or when they're about to put it up in the lifter shit or the lifting shit. Ain't gonna lie, we're gonna have to wait till tomorrow to do the exhaust. I guess they booked out today, but tomorrow for sure. Sheesh. Bro, I don't know, we just chilling, bro, and fucking ambulance stopped pulling up, bro. That's kind of weird though, I ain't gonna lie. No cap. At my outlets now, I'm about to call some forces.
Aquí andamos en la pinche la costa, viejo, aquí. Yeah. ¿Qué se va a agarrar, primo? Al mero pinche chingazo, viejo, ni pa' qué.
Ey, este güey se parece vestido.
Ese güey es pa' usted, viejo.
Vestido, güey.
Dilo el G pagando ya su primer fee del año. Yeah.
Should I go try it out?
Yeah, fuck. Yeah, aire. ¿Qué se compró, G? ¿Qué se compró?
Slide shift,
Sí,
ATI.
sí, una pinche Lacoste, viejo, aire. Anda pata, viejito. Ya, aquí andamos, aire. Lacoste. Y dilos, ¿qué se compró, viejo? ¿Qué se compró? Diga. Una pinche camisilla nomás para que vayan y digan. ¿Sí o no, G? Pero sí, ya le da, córtale.
Oh shit, pinche panochón. Wait, can't show daddy. Oh shit, mi hijo.
Yeah. Yes, dude.
Oh fuck, this nigga got me. Oh shit, yeah, you got package. Paint this shit right quick, just to look clean.
Ponte un pinche.
Perfect.
Máscara, güey.
Ok, máscara, primo.
Ah, sí, güey.
Oh shit, you put up in the Mustang? Hell yeah. Oh shit. Shit, what? Hell yeah, you call him a Mustang? Hell yeah. Hell yeah, right now we're doing that niggas. The old one, Fernando Verde. The new one, shit fire. And then we're gonna add this shit, the fog lights.
Las fog lights se me hace que no van a dar, güey.
Shit, this is looking fire. What up, YouTube? It's next day. We about to get some breakfast. We're at McDonald's. I'm at McDonald's right now. Some little quick breakfast. Then I gotta go back to Care, take a shower, start my day off, you know. And that's pretty much it. And get ready for ATI tomorrow and shit. Hell yeah. Probably gonna be busy these 2 days, so. ATI Crunch Time coming. I mean, ATI. Hope it's lit, bro. You know, I can't really do nothing. I'm gonna be a little lame this year, but can't do this shit, nothing this year, so it's cool though. But I'm gonna try and enjoy the show more. I have to record more slid, but yeah, let me go get my food right quick.